Have you noticed? Everyone says discipline is the key to success. But what if I were to say, is discipline a myth? Yes, you heard that right. The word discipline, isn't it? The truth is, a psychological trick that's playing tricks on our minds. Today, I'll reveal 5 hidden signs that your discipline is secretly eroding from within and you don't even know it. And with each sign, there'll be a smart solution. Ready? Let's get started. 1. Motivation trap. Whenever we start something new, joining a gym, reading a book, or forming a habit, our energy is high for the first 2 days. Then on the 3rd day, everything disappears. And then we think, I'm not disciplined. But the reality is this: your brain has become addicted to novelty. It loves excitement more than challenge. That means the problem isn't discipline, it's a dopamine overdose. Solution: set yourself a small reward every day. Celebrate small victories. Chase consistency, not motivation. 2. Guilt loop. Every time you fail at something, a guilt creeps in. I can never be consistent. That same guilt brings you down again. And then you admit, discipline is beyond me. The mind doesn't want to learn from guilt. It starts to fear. Solution: stop judging yourself. Every mistake proves that you're trying. Be gentle with yourself. The mind changes with love, not fear. 3. Identity mismatch. You say, I want to become disciplined, but a voice inside says, I'm lazy. As long as you continue to consider yourself a lazy person, your mind will reject every effort. Solution: don't call yourself lazy. First change your label, then see the path will change. 4. Comfort illusion. Our mind confuses comfort with safety. So whenever something difficult has to be done, the brain alerts, danger, take a rest. This is why Netflix feels safe and opening a book feels boring. Solution: get your mind used to small discomforts, such as taking a cold shower, sitting in silence for 5 minutes, or working for an hour with your phone off. Gradually, the brain will learn that discomfort is growth. 5. Future fog. Discipline breaks down when the future becomes blurry. When the goal isn't clear, the mind asks, why should I work hard? And that's where consistency ends. Solution: visualize your future clearly. Stop dreaming big, think of small steps. The next 7 days, the next 30 days. Clear vision is the real fuel of discipline. Discipline isn't a magic power. This is just a side effect. A clear mind, correct identity, and a trained brain. So when someone says you're not disciplined, smile, because now you know the problem isn't in your habits, but in your psychology. And now the only question is, do you have the courage to reprogram your mind? If this video made you think, then subscribe and learn along the way something even more powerful than discipline: mind control.